Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete copied link on Chrome in mobile. So if you copied some link on your Chrome, so let's say this particular link is the link you copied on Chrome. Now you want to delete the link from the clipboard, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to delete copied link on Chrome in mobile, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Chrome application itself. Click on the link position or URL. Then this is going to pop up your phone keyboard. Delete the link you copied. Now to delete the copied link from the Chrome, all you need to do is click on the clipboard icon. Then you should see all the link you copied to your clipboard. Now press and hold the link you want to delete on Chrome. So once you've copied all the links that you copied on Chrome that you want to delete, go ahead and click on the trash button. Then you should see a pop that says delete X number of items. So this depends on the total number of links you've copied on Chrome, and then delete. So this depends on the total number of links you've copied on Chrome that you want to delete. Then go ahead and click on delete. Once you click delete, then you should see the link you copied on clipboard deleted. You see that? So under your clipboard, there is no more link, and then you're good. You see that? So that is basically how you can easily delete copied link on Chrome in mobile. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.